Happy Bastille Day. So this time of year I'm always being inspired by French beauty, that certain je ne sais quoi that French women have, that effortless joie de vivre. I used to be working at Vogue. I used to go to Paris at least a couple of times a year, go into the French pharmacies and stock up on all my favourite French brands. So Ampoule C, Nuxe. You are so lucky because you don't have to fly to Paris anymore to stock up on French beauty brands. You can just get a French Beauty Co. box. So French Beauty Co. is Australia's only dedicated beauty website dedicated to all French beauty brands. Like Ampoule, I mean this is one of the OG French beauty products. It is a moisturiser, it's a mask, like it preps your skin perfectly for makeup, like your skin just goes. It's also got the classic Bioderma micellar. It's such a quick and easy way to remove your makeup, doesn't leave any residue on the skin, perfect for sensitive skin. The box also has these beautiful reusable makeup removal pads, so you can actually use the Bioderma with the pads. My favourite Avène Thermal Water Mist. Oh, Christophe Robin Regenerating Hair Mask. It's incredible. Nuxe Multi-Use Body Oil. Insane. Smells delicious. You can use it on your hair, your body, your skin. The SVR Ampoule Vitamin C. And finally, Mavala Nail Polish in Paris. So I'll put all the details below so you can check it out.